Hello everyone, welcome to Know Your Alpha. Today we are going to discuss about what is ChatGPT and what it can do. So we are hearing a lot about this technology like ChatGPT. So what is it about? It was brought first by OpenAI, a AI research company. So let's understand what is ChatGPT. Let's break it into two different parts. What is Chat and what is GPT? If you just look at Chat, why it is called ChatGPT? Because of its conversational nature. That means you can interact with the AI system in a natural human like dialogue. Just like your normal questions, it will be like your question answering. You will just put a question over there and you will get a reply. Just like you are speaking to a natural person. So what does GPT stands for? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So let's break it. So why it is called generative? It is called generative because based on your prompts, which means instructions that you or questions that you ask, it gives you replies. So it generates text for your questions. So what do you mean by pre-trained? Pre-trained means the model is trained on a massive corpus of text data. So whatever is available in World Wide Web and other sources, it pulls out the data. So it's pre-trained on all those data and it gives the answer relevant to a specific task. So what is transformer? This is the main technology that is behind ChatGPT. That is neural nets architecture. Similar like to our human brain, this transformer works like a neural network. That's based on a neural network architecture, which functions similar to your human brain to pull out the data for you. So can we do it in only English? That means can we only chat in English or can we chat in other languages? Yes, you can chat with ChatGPT in many languages in addition to English. It is capable of understanding and generating text in multiple languages, be it like popular languages like Spanish, French, German, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and less widely spoken languages like Dutch, Swedish, Finnish, Hindi, Arabic, and many more. So this is a simple slide which is just showing like a chart which is being done in Hindi, and the user is asking to tell him about India. मुझे हिंदी के बारे में बताओ, मुझे भारत के बारे में बताओ, sorry. So then it just gives many things like Samskriti और धर्म, like how our culture and all those things work. राजनीति और अर्थव्यवस्था means politics और economic system, how they work. अब in India, it has given the response in Hindi. That means you can just chat it with ChatGPT system in addition to English in whatever languages you want. Sorry. So this is an example. This slide illustrates that you can chat with a ChatGPT system in Telugu, a regional language in India, which is largely spoken in states like Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Here is a similar prompt asking about India, which is like Bharat Desam gurinchi cheppu, and it's just giving about India in Telugu. So it makes clear that we can just interact with ChatGPT in multiple languages. So what are the tasks can ChatGPT do? So we are hearing that we can just ask questions to that. Is it only that or the realm is more? So if we just discuss about that. Writing and content creation, it can do creative writing for you. It can write stories, poems, scripts. It can do professional writing. It can draft your email. It can just draft your resume, cover letters or formal letters. It can do content summarization for you. It can summarize articles, books, or lengthy documents. It can do copywriting tasks like creating marketing copy, product descriptions, and many more. Coming to other things, like it can, in the education and learning space, it can answer questions on various subjects, math, science, history. You ask anything, it gives you information on that. Language learning, it teaches you languages. It translates text. It explains you grammar and vocabulary. It can be your study help, which can assist you. It can in fact do coding assistance. It can write and debug code, explain algorithms, provide programming examples, and many more. Apart from that, it can be utilized for creative and fun activities. You can create riddles, trivia questions, game ideas, etc. You can do art and design things over here. You can take inspiration. You can suggest themes, styles, concepts for your projects. Even for your hobbies like gardening, even it gives you a recipe for your cooking. And coming to the area of technology and development, it can write scripts in programming languages. It explains the technology or the technical concepts for non-technical audience. It can troubleshoot you in technical issues. It can be utilized for productivity things. It can schedule your tasks, plan your trips, and organize tasks. Suppose if you want to visit a place, you can just say, I want to visit, say for example, Delhi. It will just give you plan, how to plan for that. It is in fact used for brainstorming for ideas for projects. You are stuck somewhere, you want some idea, you want to have some things like your business is how to just overcome any particular problem. For problem solving, how to move ahead, you can just sit with your ChatGPT and your brainstorm things, note it down, jot it down, and see what things work for you. You can do data analysis. Large data sets can be interpreted, trends and generate statistical reports. It offers you pure decision support. For research analysis, for gathering information, it provides general knowledge of a variety of topics and trends. It compares products, ideas, concepts, and many more. So ChatGPT gives you a lot of things. So this is the website of chatgpt.com. You can just go over here to explore more. You will have this small window, message ChatGPT. You can just enter over there. After entering into the website, you just enter whatever you want. Does it only take an input like text? No, it can take text, image, video, audio. There are many versions. ChatGPT like GPT, GPT-3, GPT-4, 4.5, GPT-5. There are many versions brought out by OpenAI. So in addition to that, there are many large language models. Explore more. And it will just give you a pointer. There are many things happening out in this space. And it's one of the most burgeoning spaces to work. And it's in fact one of the hottest sectors to work to. Keep exploring, keep ChatGPTing, and there are other platforms, keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Keep visiting for more updates. Thank you.